Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings because that's where control options live. First, make sure your AirPods Pro are connected and the iPhone shows them as active. Then open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and tap the small info icon next to the AirPods. Once done, you'll see sections for name, microphone, and press and hold AirPods. This is where you begin choosing what a press and hold does, Siri, noise control, or off, so you can set behaviors to match how you use playback and calls. Now you'll change the press and hold action. Tap either left or right under press and hold AirPods. Each side can be set independently. Choose noise control if you want to toggle between active noise cancellation and transparency, choose Siri to summon voice control, or choose off to leave standard presses alone. Make sure to test immediately. Press once for play/pause, twice for next, 3 times for previous, and press and hold to check your new assignment. This confirms the behavior and reveals if you need any fine adjustments. Finish by verifying controls in realistic use. Play music, make a call, and try single, double, triple presses plus the press and hold action to ensure everything matches your choices. If something won't register, make sure firmware is current, then unpair and reconnect the AirPods. Reset them by holding the case button for about 15 seconds if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if only one side misbehaves, test each AirPod alone to isolate hardware issues before assuming settings are wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.